Thank you, President. This directive is a step in the right direction, and it is urgent to bring multinational companies to contribute at least a little bit. But it is also urgent to stop the unfair competition with local SMEs that wear the weight of state regulations and taxes. With war instability, inflation and energy prices going up the roof, SMEs are the weak link of the economy. Multinationals and governments have tools to weather this storm and put themselves always first. This leaves SME in no man's land, often paying the price of instability. For example, the urgent measures of the Spanish government to lower oil prices demand that companies pay the government subsidy in advance. Easy for the big guys, impossible for the small guys. This directive is good, and temptations to water it down must be resisted. But it is ironic that while we approve it, SMEs that keep our economies healthy, play by the rules and ensure our way of life in times of emergency are left out in the cold. Thank you.